Today we're talking about potpourri and its many uses and how to mix it, things that you can do at home, dry your own things. We have rose petals that we've dried, that we've packaged and added various other little leaves or flowers with it to make rose petal potpourri. All the different things that we have, the lemon verbena, the rose leaves. Go out to your rose garden, and when you prune your rose garden, take all your leaves, dry them, and you've got a basis for a nice potpourri. Our wild orchids, and some of the things you could buy, or some of the things you can go ahead and dry yourself. Next time you peel an orange, keep those orange peels. Lemons, the same thing. Next time you get a bouquet of flowers, dry the flowers, kind of just tie them in a bundle, hang them upside down, and let them dry, and you've got a good basis for a beginning potpourri. You can give it as a gift, in a little bucket, in a bag. You can put it in a sachet to smell up your linen closet and freshen your linen closet, your dressers. You can make little sachets to give away as gifts or keep for yourself. You can put it in a potpourri pot and simmer it, either in a potpourri pot or on the stove. There's a lot that you can do. Just have a lot of fun with potpourri.